A very good morning to 11th class student. In this video, we are going to study about rest of the physical properties of alkaline earth metal. First is hydration enthalpy. What is hydration enthalpy? It is the amount of energy that is released when metal ion combine with required number of water molecules and form hydrated ion. As compared to alkali metal, alkaline earth metal have high hydration enthalpy because as we move alkali metal to alkaline earth metal, that is from first group to second group, then size will decrease and hydration enthalpy will increase. So alkaline earth metals has more negative electron gain hydration enthalpy than alkali metal. Second is why hydration enthalpy of alkaline earth metal decrease as we move from beryllium to radium. As we move from beryllium to magnesium, calcium, strontium and barium, then size will increase. As the size of alkaline earth metal increase, then hydration enthalpy will decrease. That's why beryllium has high hydration enthalpy than magnesium, calcium, and strontium, barium, and radium. And they form hydrated salt. Magnesium form MgCl2, 6 water molecules, hydrated salt. Calcium chloride also exists in hydrated salt. Electronegativity, next property. Electronegativity is the tendency of bonded atom to attract shared pair electron toward itself. Electronegativity is inversely proportional to size. As the size increase, electronegativity will decrease. So beryllium has smallest size, so its electronegativity is more than magnesium, than calcium, strontium, barium and radium. And next is when as compared to alkaline earth metal, alkali metals has big size, so their electronegativity is less. When we move from first group to second group, then size will decrease and electronegativity will increase. So beryllium has electronegativity 1.5, which show covalent character. Next is metallic character. Metallic character of alkaline earth metal is stronger than alkali metal because metallic character depends upon strength of metallic bond, and metallic bond depends upon size of metal ion. Smaller the size of metal ion, stronger will be the metallic bond. Second one is the charge on metal ion. These are the two factors, that size of metal ion and charge on metal ion. Smaller the size, greater the charge on metal ion, greater will be the force of attraction. So greater will be the metallic bond, and more strongly the metal ions are arranged in metallic lattice. So metallic bond depends upon size of metal and charge on metal. Smaller the size, greater the charge on metal ion, greater will be the force of attraction of metallic bond, and more tightly metal ions are packed, so they have high melting and boiling point, so they are hard. As compared to alkali metal, alkaline earth metals are hard. We cannot cut alkaline earth metal with knife as we can cut alkali metal with knife because of their strong metallic bond. They have high melting and boiling point. This is also due to strong force of attraction, and that force of attraction is here metallic bond. Next is density. Density of alkaline earth metal is more than alkali metal because density is equal to mass upon volume. As we move left to right, up to down, mass increase, but as we move left to right, size will decrease, so density increase. Next is flame coloration. Very important question here is that beryllium and magnesium does not give color to flame. जब आप मैग्नीशियम और बेरिलियम सॉल्ट को फ्लेम के ऊपर डालते हो तो कोई कलर नहीं आता. वेयर एज कैल्शियम गेव ब्रिक रेड कलर, स्ट्रॉन्शियम gives crimson color, barium gives grazy green color, radium gave again crimson color. Why question is first, why beryllium and magnesium does not give color to flame? Because magnesium and beryllium are small in size. So when we put these two metals on flame, then this flame energy is not sufficient to remove the electron from outermost shell and to move it in excited state. So electron remain in ground state, so they cannot move to excited state. That's why they do not give color to flame. But calcium, strontium, barium, radium, they give characteristic color to flame, because when we put these metal salt on flame, then these metals take energy from flame and their outermost shell electron undergo in excited state. Excited state is unstable, so they again come back to ground state by releasing energy, and this energy is released in the form of radiation, and these radiations have particular wavelength, so they have particular color. But this flame energy is not sufficient in case of beryllium and magnesium to excite electron from ground to excited state. Now next point is oxidation state and electropositive character. Metal, after losing two electrons, they form metal ion. Metal ion have now nearest noble electronic configuration. See here calcium 2882, calcium ion 288, its electronic configuration is shown noble argon like. They have high lattice energy than alkali metal. This calcium ion form calcium chloride, calcium sulfate salt, and they have high lattice energy than alkali metal. Why they have high lattice energy than alkali metal in their salt? Because lattice energy depends upon two factors. We have already discussed this in ionic compounds, that lattice energy depends upon size of metal ion. Second, it depends upon charge. Smaller the size, greater the charge, greater will be the amount of energy released when metal ion interact with anion. So alkali metal, in comparison to alkali metal, alkaline earth metals have small size and they have high charge, so they have high lattice energy. They have high tendency to get hydrated because these metal ions have small size as compared to alkali metal. So alkaline earth metals have small size, so they have high hydration enthalpy. That's why they form high hydrated salt. Next is beryllium compounds are covalent in nature because of their small size, high electronegatividity, high ionization energy, high absence of d orbital, so they have tendency to form covalent bonds. Second one is beryllium is highly electronegative element. Their electronegativity is 1.5, so it has high tendency to form covalent bond. So this is all about your physical properties of alkaline earth metal. I hope to all of you this alkaline earth metal physical properties are clear. Please do NCERT question related to these topics. Thank you. Have a nice day.